So my measurements when I first started this hair journey was the back was 5.5 inches, the middle was 8.5 inches, and the front was 7 5/8. Let's check it out and see how much I've grown. I took my hair out on, I want to say Friday. I washed and dried my hair and braided it up and did a little braid out. So it's always easier for me to do my hair into the protective style when my hair is stretched out. So I like to have my hair out, so I left it out for a few days, and now I'm going to do another protective style. The back is at 7 inches. Wow, so I grew like 2 inches. Right about here, 9.5 inches. And it was 8.5 inches, so that grew an inch. And then let's see the front. Okay, so the front is 9.5 inches, almost 10. So that grew about 2 more inches. So 2 inches in about 1 month is what my progress has been. Let's see, what did I do? I had my hair twisted, and then I would just wet my hair. I skipped a few days. I used coconut oil sometimes as moisturizer. Sometimes I also used this and did not use any coconut oil. So I would just wet my hair and just kind of rub my hands with either coconut oil or this through my hair, and then I'd just throw on my wig. So that's pretty much all that I did. Super easy. My hair felt really moisturized. At the time where I did not put any oils in my hair was really, 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 really dry. I had to retwist, and I washed with the twist thin. So I retwist and co-washed with just some conditioner, like towards the 2nd week. No, I think I fell into the 3rd week when I did that. But I got it done, and yeah, I got it done, and that's what my hair journey has been. What I do now for my next protective style is I am going to try to cornrow my hair. I don't know how to cornrow hair, but I'm going to try to do it. I'm not going to do it pretty like tight. I'm a beginner. It's not going to be tight anyway, but I don't want to do it tight because I want my edges in my hair. But I am going to cornrow it and use that as the protective style for this upcoming month. If you want to see how I practice or do my cornrows, then just continue watching. So what I'm going to do is I'm not even going to use a comb, just using my hands, and I'm going to take some of my hair, part it up. I'm just going to put some moisturizer on it. I just got sent this Kreyol essence. So this is castor oil. We call it Patrice.Elyse, and it has a lot of benefits, but I am going to just take a little bit and add that to my hair and my scalp, and mainly my edges. So I'm going to drop that in there and then do a little whoop 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 and kind of like massage that on through. It says it promotes thicker, longer hair, and it's to hydrate and smooth skin. This is what it looks like. It's so like luxurious. I love it. I'm so like proud and happy. Also 100% Haitian black castor oil. So you just, I'm sure you can use this on your hair, your skin, everything. Castor oil is really great and have a bunch of great benefits. I will do a review of just using the Haitian black castor oil in another video. So if you want to, you know, stay updated with that, subscribe to this channel and turn my notifications on so you can stay updated. So one thing that I'm probably going to add to my new, for this month's hair routine, I'm probably going to add the Haitian black castor oil to my scalp every other night. I'm going to aim for every night, but I'm going to do every other night. Here again, just taking some of the leave-in conditioner and adding that to the ends of my hair, since my ends are a little bit more rough than the actual hair coming from the root. Okay, so I actually have to go to work right now, so I just threw a hat on. I'm going to continue to do the braids throughout my whole head and continue with my regular regimen, wetting my hair every day. The only thing I'm adding to my routine is this Haitian black castor oil, and I'm just going to add that onto my scalp and my edges. And I'm still going to do the moisturizer and or olive oil or castor oil, whatever it is. But I will let you guys know in my next video what I did, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Off to